Hey, what's up, YouTube? So, Smoke Boss back at it again. I got some nice lamb chops. I'm gonna plan on hanging them on the Burr House Cooker 18C. Gonna see how they turn out. I never cooked lamb chops on the grill. I don't cook the lamb leg, and it turned out too good. So let's hope that this grill brings it on in for me, and I'm gonna hook them. You know. So what I'm gonna start off with is putting a little olive oil on here. Well, they're really nicely on there. So what I'm gonna start with is a half a teaspoon of rosemary, and I'm gonna sprinkle it up beyond them. I went with the dry rosemary because so now I'm gonna come with half a teaspoon of teaspoon of oregano. I'm just gonna bring it across there. And I'm gonna use a half teaspoon of thyme. It's too easy. Garlic powder, not pepper, sorry. You guys, I'm not gonna put too much garlic powder because I'm gonna put straight whole. I got my handy dandy Ziploc bag. So what I'm gonna come over here and hit it with a 1/4 cup in the bag. I'm gonna sit it in the fridge and let it soak in and get the nice herbs flavor. I have to grab me some garlic. I'll be right back. So for the garlic, I'm going to use 1 teaspoon. You know, just dump off whatever extra you have. Just want to do it like so. And you're just going to insert them in there. Like that. Get all the air out. And I'm just gonna let them sit in the fridge overnight, just like this, in the with the olive oil and all the good seasons I put in there. The oregano, the rosemary, some black pepper, thyme, olive oil, and minced garlic. It doesn't really, you can use fresh, whatever you prefer. I just prefer this, I hate peeling it. Okay, so we're gonna see what we get tomorrow morning when we wake up, and I'll throw these bad boys on the grill. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw my lamb chops in. Just bring them over, drop them down on the hook like that. Gonna be some good eating with these lamb chops. Look how they just dangle there. Let's go ahead and pull our nice lamb chops out. Will be some good eating. Put these in the box. Let them cool on down. We'll eat them in a while. Man, just look at the lamb chops. I hung them on that Burrow House 18C. And look, they just came out amazing. Look at that. Let's go ahead and cut it off. See how it is. Nice and tender. I never cooked lamb before besides that leg got tore up. Tastes amazing. That is great. I'm telling you. You have got to try it. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment. Hey, if you ain't already sub, go ahead and sub so you can see the more upcoming. Hey, peace out.